Hello.
Hello. Good evening, Thanshika.
Hi. Good evening.
How
are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. And how was your day today?
It's nice.
Nice. Anything special that happened today?
No,
Nothing. Okay.
nothing.
So, what is today's topic, Thanshika?
The topic is favorite subject.
Favorite subject. Okay. So, what is your favorite subject?
I have 3 favorite subjects.
Hmm.
One is Maths, English and Tamil.
Maths, English, and Tamil.
Yes.
And why do you like these subjects?
In Maths, I will do the sums very fastly and correctly. And the Maths will teach very, if she teach, I will understand it very easily. So I like Maths.
Okay.
And English, I learn new words from that. And some big words I learn about that.
Hmm.
And Tamil, I learn about many old things. Like,
Okay.
yeah.
And when did you realize that you like these subjects?
When I will put the sums very fast, and at that time I will realize that I like very much.
Okay. So,
Which subject do you like?
well, in school or now?
In school.
I used to like English and my mother tongue. Yeah. And I used to like history as well.
What?
History.
Oh, history. Okay.
Yeah. And is there a particular topic within the subject that you really like or enjoy?
In which subject?
English. No, Tamil.
Tamil. There is one poem about the studies.
Hmm.
In that poem I will like very much. And another one lesson is that many temples, we learn about many temples and what are the inside of temples and the statue, like many statues like that.
Okay.
Tiruvalluvar statue and what are they inside, how many Tirugurals are there. About that, there are many things in one lesson. That I like that lesson.
Okay. And about English?
About English.
Hmm.
English, there are many different kind of stories.
Hmm.
I like one story that Don Quick Stone. That story I will like very much. And the Wandering Fingers.
Okay.
That poem will very easy and I can understand very easily.
Hmm.
That I will like.
Okay. So, what do you like? Like, what is your interest when you read a story or any lesson or poem or anything? So, what is that thing that you like about that poem or lesson?
There are many. There are many characters.
Oh,
If there are many characters, I will like that story very much.
okay.
And I want to read a full story and I want to take a moral from that.
Oh, nice.
Sometimes there are poor people story like that.
Hmm.
That stories are very interesting about that stories I like.
Okay, so you like to read about poor people's life or perspective.
Yes.
Okay. So, Thanshika, whenever you read something about new, like when you get to know something new, okay, any
Okay.
lesson or any poem, by any poem or by any lesson, do you question that?
No.
Uh, like, why not?
Because I will understand it correctly.
Hmm?
So I don't have any questions about that.
Okay, but I'm saying generally when you read something and when you get to know, okay, this happens in India or something like that, okay? Not lesson, if you understand, that's okay. But if you read something about, for example, if you read about history, okay, then you get to know this happened at that time. Do you question that why this happened or how this happened, like that?
Yes. Like
Okay.
in geography, I will ask some question about that.
Hmm.
There are three volcanoes. When the volcano will come out, like that, I have some questions. Because three of them different volcanoes,
Hmm.
so I have like that question.
Okay. And like, do you ask questions about everything whenever you get to know something new about any topic or anything? Do you question that how it happens, why it happens, like that? Do you have that
Yes,
habit?
yes, I have that. Have it.
Okay.
If I read any story, I will not ask any questions. If I will study about history, geography, civics, I will have some questions about that.
Okay. Nice. And do you ask questions and in your school as well to your teachers?
No, I will not ask questions not for our teachers. I will ask to my mother.
Mothers.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Any question like this?
Yes, I do question. I do question a lot. Like, and that is something that some people get annoyed because of that. Because I ask too many questions. But I think asking questions is very important. Even though when my parents or when I get to learn something about my religion, okay? Then also I ask why we have to do this, why we should do this, okay, what is the benefit of doing this. So I ask a lot of questions, and because of that I got a lot of answers, and I can better my life with that answer and with that knowledge. Yeah, I still ask questions.
Nice.
Yeah. So, and do you find it easy to learn English or Tamil? Tamil is your mother tongue, but I think there must be some grammar in Tamil as well, no?
Yes.
Is it difficult or is it easy?
Some grammars are difficult in Tamil. Some grammars are very easy.
Okay. And do you find any difficulty in maths?
No,
Okay.
because math is very easy, and I will do the sums very fastly.
So you are just
What?
you just have to do subtraction and multiplication. That's it.
Yes, that's very. I know that about that.
Or do you have questions like formula-based questions as well in your math subject?
No,
Okay.
I don't have any.
Like you don't have to solve like for example a plus b plus like that. Okay.
Sometimes some questions, there are one formula to do that. But anyone question the formula will change that. But that question, I don't know about that. At that time, I will ask the question to my teacher.
Okay. Can you give me some tips to learn maths, and how can I improve my maths?
First up, you want to listen the class very correctly.
Carefully.
And carefully. And we try the sum on our own. If it is wrong or correct, you want to try that.
Okay.
And in addition, subtraction, you want to take the fingers and count that and subtract that.
Okay.
After all, in math, all the sums we want to write and see.
Oh.
All the sums.
Okay. So I have to practice by myself as well, right?
Yes. Because many sums I will do my own.
Okay. Nice. And have you ever struggled with the sum or any topic?
What?
Have you ever struggled with a topic or any sum like that you find difficult to solve?
Any sum?
Yeah.
Or any lesson?
Any sum.
Any sum? I find that algebra
Okay.
is very difficult.
Okay.
Yeah, the sound is coming from your side.
Yeah. It's just for a few minutes. It will go on.
Okay.
Yeah. And when you read Tamil stories and books, what's the most valuable lesson you have learned?
I learn about many temples. And in Tamil, I learn about many temples and what are that. And some poems. We had moral about that. We want to study very goodly. And study is important in our life. Like that, there are many poems.
Okay.
Wow, yeah. In English, I will study many stories.
Stories.
Yes.
Okay.
And the grammars also.
Okay. So, any one lesson that you learned, or like any one lesson, like one moral story that you read, and that one lesson from that story that still sticks with you and you still remember?
Any lesson.
Mm.
Like, I ate a good lesson of that. There are celebrating, there is one function like Diwali, like that there is one function. I don't know that name correctly. That lesson is very interesting, and it's for poor people. And that function is celebrated in Muslims.
Okay.
Do I want to tell that story?
No, you can say this is the moral of the story as well.
Moral.
Yeah.
Like one boy had no rupees. So his grandmother is always when his grandmother would cook, he will take his hand and put it into the fire. So he had only 3 rupees. At that time, he will go to the shop. In that function, there are many shops are there. His grandmother will give 3 rupees and go and sit and you go and buy anything for you. But he will go and buy that he will buy that stick like that. She will take that. She will put the stick into the pan and she will easily take that. don't know that name mostly about that.
Okay.
So at that time, he will not buy for him. He will buy for his grandmother at that function. But all his friends will buy cars, sweets, like that.
Okay. Nice. And which subject do you find difficult?
Science.
Science.
Yes.
Why?
Because there are so many big questions.
Big
And the numerical problems, higher order thinking, there are so many questions in science. And it's very difficult to understand.
Okay.
So science is so difficult.
Okay. But I think if you will focus on it little bit, then I think it will become easier for you. Because you think that math is easy, that means a lot, right?
Yes.
For you, your favorite subject is math. And like a student like you can easily, if you will focus little bit on that as well, like on science, you can it can become easier for you, I think.
Okay. Because science, there are many big questions. That's only very tough to study in the exam.
Yeah, that's right.
And there are practical, like that, many things.
Which
subject do you think was difficult?
I think now or when I was in school.
Yes.
When I was in school, I think maths was very difficult for me. Still, maths is very difficult for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which subject is easy to you?
I think theory-based question, like subjects like English and my mother tongue. Your mother tongue is Tamil, right?
Yes.
My mother tongue is Urdu. So
Okay.
these type of questions, I can write long answers. Okay, it is not a problem for me to write long answers, but it should be like there should be no numbers. When it comes to numbers, I get very confused and it's very difficult for me. Yeah.
Do you know Hindi?
Of course.
I know some about Hindi. I know to read that.
Okay.
And I think it's very easy.
Do you have Hindi subject?
I know.
You don't
I
have?
have on sound. From 6th standard, I will have Hindi to learn.
Okay.
From now onwards, there is no Hindi.
Okay. You think it's easy?
I think it will come easy.
Yeah, any new language, it's little difficult, but as you listen that again and again, and if your, if your circumstances, like if your parents speak that language, if your friends speak that language, then it becomes easier for us.
Yes, one day, in my home, I only studying Hindi.
Oh.
And my brother also.
Okay, but you must not, you didn't talk to your brother in Hindi, right?
No.
Yeah. You have to talk and listen that again, then only you can learn it. We speak Hindi only here. Like mix of Hindi and Urdu mix.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think Thanshika, it was a great conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye.